Hello everyone, for today's video, we'll be walking you through how to use Tonkeeper. So first, let's talk about what Tonkeeper is. So it is a secure wallet for the open network or the Ton cryptocurrency. So it allows you to store, send, and also receive Ton coins with ease while ensuring that your assets are safe. It is also a non-custodial wallet, which means that you have a full control over your private keys. So now to get started, you just need to head over to your app store, whether you are on iOS or Android. So just simply search for Tonkeeper and download the app. So just like so. Tonkeeper, search for it, and just simply tap from the results or select that from the results and install that in your device. So now once you've opened up, or when you first open up Tonkeeper, you'll be greeted with this welcome screen right here, and it says right here, create a wallet. So then you just need to tap on it to begin setting up your account. So next, the app will generate a recovery phase for you. So this is a critical step. So before we do that, let us first create a new password. So I'm just going to set that up and then just re-enter it. And then once you have done that, just enable the notifications if you want to, or you can also do that later. So now, once you are in here, this is the interface or the homepage for Tonkeeper. So you have here your wallet, your history, and also your browser. So those are the main sections right here. So now on this section, this is where you can do different functions for Tonkeeper. So you can send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, and also stake. And this for this section, this is where you can see the balance for your wallet. So now on this section, this is where you can set up or finish setting up your account. So you can enable right here your transaction notifications, but I'm not going to do that right now. And you can also use Face ID to approve transaction. You can also join Tonkeeper channel and back up the wallet recovery phase. So now that your wallet, or let's say that your wallet is ready set up, let's add some Ton coins. So to do that, tap onto the receive section right here, or receive button. So you'll see your wallet address and also your wallet address as a QR code and as a text string. And you can either share your QR code with the sender or just copy and paste your wallet address. So the Ton coins will be sent to this address and you'll be able to see the transaction history right in the app. So now, let's say that you want to send Ton coins to someone else. So tap onto the send button on the main screen right here, and you can either scan the recipient's QR code or just simply paste your wallet address onto the section. So then you'll be able to enter the amount you'll send or you'd like to send and just confirm the transaction. Make sure to double check the details before sending, as transactions cannot be reversed. And also, Tonkeeper also comes with various security features. So you can head over to the settings tab. And then once you are, this is the settings, it should be located on the upper right corner of your screen. So in here, just scroll down until you see the security section. Once you tap on it, you can enable your Face ID, you can lock your screen, and you can also change your password. So these extra steps help ensure that your funds stay secure. And also Tonkeeper, or let's say that you want to send Ton coins to someone else, or I'm so sorry, if you don't want to send or you want to access some advanced features, Tonkeeper also offers this feature where you can swap or staking your Ton coins with other cryptocurrencies. So these features can help you make the most out of your wallet. So that's basically it. Those are the features, and that is how you can, or those are the steps that you can do if you want to use Tonkeeper. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.